these Demabon smart glasses to review, and I'm super impressed with them. These are smart AI glasses. They come in this nice case, and they have this extra case here as well, which is super soft. Folds out like this. You can keep your glasses nice and secure in there. I got these in the white with blue light blockers because I use these while I'm working on my computer and just around the house. I like having the blue light, and I've got some compliments on them as well. And it's just nice to be able to listen to music, podcasts in here without having my ears obstructed because I can still hear everything going around me. They simply turn on this button here, and then you have this as your AI button here, so you can take a photo here. So a little flash right there. Hold it down to take a video. Press it again to stop. And on the AI side, you can easily ask it questions and it answers them within their app. There's a slider on the side here to adjust your volume up and down. I will say the one negative to them is how they charge compared to, like Meta glasses, is you have to use this charge right here with this. So you have to remember to charge them, but they do hold a good battery life. So it's going to charge like that. So you can't just simply put them in their case to charge. But it does mean it is easier to recharge them if you have other things like this. They come in a bunch of different styles. They have actual tinted lenses, but I got the blue light blockers just for doing all my work. It helps my eyes from being fatigued and everything like that. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.